Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and the coronavirus has sickened the U.S. market. Stock market gave back early Friday morning gains after an announcement came out that a second U.S. case of the deadly coronavirus was confirmed in Chicago. As we do on a Friday, we'll take a look at weekly charts, and we'll start with the S&P 500 from our portfolio manager here, and we'll change from a daily chart to a weekly chart. And as you can see, we are currently down about 0.7% on the S&P 500 with our chart analysis score standing at plus 75, weakening a little bit with a red daily trade triangle. Market is first weekly loss in about 2 weeks, trading at 3,305.12. Key level to watch moving forward will be 3,214.64. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. On the flip side, the U.S. dollar is actually posting its third weekly gain in the last 3 weeks, up right now almost 0.3%, trading at 97.87 with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we did get that new green weekly trade triangle at 97.65, as you can see outlined here in the chart analysis score box. Key level to watch moving forward will be 96.54. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for the U.S. dollar. I'll also give you a level to watch. Really not in danger of getting there this week, but 99.67. A move above that level would give us a green monthly trade triangle. That'll definitely come into play next month as we move into February. Dow Jones, much like the S&P 500, suffering its first weekly loss in about 2 weeks, trading at 29,040.35, down 1% on the week right now with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that we're still in a long-term uptrend, which is coming under some recent daily weakness. Key level to watch is above 29,000 at $29,009.07. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. The shocker was the NASDAQ, who's been able to fight off a bunch of different things in the last 5 to 6 weeks, having its first weekly loss, coming in losing right now about 0.3% with a chart analysis score plus 90. So overall, we're still in an extremely strong uptrend for the NASDAQ, just coming under a little bit of pressure from the coronavirus. Currently trading at 9,352.03. Key level to watch would be 8,943.50. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sideline position. Gold kind of flattening out. You would think that this virus, around the globe would be what the perfect recipe for gold bugs, with a flight to safety to gold, but it really hasn't quite bared fruit yet. However, chart analysis scores plus 100, up about 0.8% on the week, trading at 1,571.10. Key level to watch would be 1,554.40. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for gold. If the coronavirus continues to gain strength around the globe, look for a position in gold to go up from here. On the flip side, crude oil losing 7.8% on the week, down trading around $54 at $54.21, with a chart analysis score negative 70, indicating that we are in an intermediate and short-term downtrend for crude oil. Key level to watch will be 56.27. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position in the short-term time frame for crude oil. We'll wrap it up with Bitcoin, who ran into a bit of a stumbling block this week, currently up 2% on the day. However, it's down over 7% on the week, trading at 8,470.56 with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that overall we're still in a sidelines position for Bitcoin. And that stumbling block is the 200-day moving average, as we'll switch to a daily chart here. And you can see right here on the 18th, and then again on the 19th, it tried to break above the 200-day moving average, which right now stands at about $9,100. It was unable to do that, and it's fallen from that point down, trading at where we are today. And as you can see, the last time it tried to test it was back here in November, when it fell below it. Had a couple days it was close, and it just fell from there. So that is our level of resistance for Bitcoin. Key level to watch would be 7,310. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great trading day.